Welcome to your daily COPD breathing exercise. My name is David Heffley, and I'll be your instructor for this session. This is a practice that utilizes a staggered breathing technique and a body scan relaxation technique for your COPD and related anxiety. It is intended to be training so that you can have a new normal when reacting to your COPD episodes. If you have any concerns about using this basic meditation, please consult your doctor. Also, if you find this work helps and you use it or similar techniques regularly, please take time to tell your doctors so they can include it in their notes. The loss of breath can be frightening, especially if you haven't explored your feelings of death. Just as doctors train themselves to handle life and death situations, you can train yourselves to react better while having an episode. Remember that they are just that, an episode. Your breath will return, and you can help this process. You are much stronger than you realize. When it's time to apply this practice, cue up your muscle memory with a single word, reset. If you are with others, tell them that you need to reset your breath. A 5 or 10 minute pause is much less stressful for everyone involved than a full 30-minute episode. In addition, these episodes add to your fear, causing you to avoid things that might spark another breathing fit. Avoiding doing things will make your muscles weak, and you won't be able to do the things that you love. Learning to breathe in a way that is helpful to you is a skill, and like an artist, you'll need to practice. Listen to this every day for a week when you are not having a COPD episode. After that, take 10 minutes a day without this video, and practice what you learn here by combining all the skills. Very soon, you'll be handling your episodes like a champ. First, find a comfortable position. Ensure you are supported in a way that helps you breathe deeply but without causing pain. You'll need to be in this position for at least 30 minutes. If you need to make small changes during your practice, that's okay, just make small and slow adjustments. The point of practicing is to figure out what works for you. When you say to yourself, "Oh, I need to sit down," you will know exactly how you need to sit, and it will be natural for you. We are about to begin the actual practice, so if you need to pause this and adjust your position, now is the time. When you are ready, press play again and we'll begin your session on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Your first breaths during an episode are the most important. They remind you that you have the power to take back control of your life. The anxiety you are feeling is natural and understandable. It is your will to live, which is then overlaid with fear. Find the core of that feeling, and you will find your will to live. Your focus needs to be on the desire to live. Just breathe normally while I explain what to do. Each time you listen to this, listen to these instructions. The first part of the video is intended to teach you how to reset your breathing when you begin to feel a shortness of breath. Reset by slowly inhaling through the nose with your mouth closed and the tongue resting on the roof of your mouth. This will be done for 2 to 3 beats. Fill as much of your lungs as possible, but don't cause any strain. Do what is most comfortable and what works for you. After that, drop your tongue and purse your lips like you're getting ready to kiss someone. Then you'll slowly let the air flow over your tongue for a 4-beat exhale. You should be able to hear the air pass between your lips. Then you'll close your mouth and reset your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and the process starts all over. It is the resetting of the tongue that is your cue for this breathing practice. This is all you'll need to do for the first portion of this practice. Are you ready? Good. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale. 1, 2, 3. Now slowly exhale. 2, 3, 4. Reset your tongue again. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Reset the tongue and inhale. Good. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Reset again, and make sure your exhale is longer than your inhale. Rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth and inhale through the nose. Now exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4. Good. Again. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Good. Since you are not in the midst of an episode, this type of breathing may cause you to begin feeling relaxed. Just let it happen and set your attention on your nose for the inhale and on the lips for the exhale. Remember, it is a count of 2 or 3 for the inhale and a count of 4 for the exhale. The exhale should be longer than the inhale. Keep breathing while I explain why you are doing what you are doing. This knowledge will replace your fear and help assist your will to live. Resetting your tongue on the roof of your mouth helps settle your inner voice. When you use your inner voice, your tongue becomes poised as if it's getting ready to speak. Resting your tongue on the roof of your mouth helps you take conscious control of your inner voice. You can tell yourself that you know you have COPD, and while this issue may be normal in your life, it doesn't need to control it. You can tell yourself that you have the will to live and that you want to be living, not simply existing. You have the right to still do things in your life, and the first thing you're going to do with your will to live is to breathe. All of this is said with the simple gesture of touching the tongue to the roof of your mouth. Now you will take control of your breath by saying to yourself, I inhale through the nose slowly, and I exhale for 4 beats out through my pursed lips. I let the air flow over my tongue because it reminds me that I am in control of what I say, especially inside of my head. Keep that affirmation for life going, and just listen to my voice and focus on practicing your breathing. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 2, 3. Slowly exhale, 3, 4. In, 1, and 2. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let the relaxing feeling just settle in and listen to my voice as you keep breathing. When you inhale through the nose, the air becomes warmer than if you inhale through the mouth. It makes it easier for your lungs to absorb. It also causes the nasal cavity to produce nitric oxide, which is important for your blood vessels. It helps them relax and allows more blood to move through them, thus allowing for more oxygen to get to the places that need it. With every inhale through your nose, you are reaffirming life. You are doing what it needs to do to absorb the air in the best possible way. If you do your part, your body will also do its part. Help it by inhaling through the nose for 2 or 3 counts. If you find yourself daydreaming, that's okay. It is just your mind's way of saying that your body is beginning to relax. Return your attention to your nose and tongue and inhale. Now exhale through your pursed lips. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Keep it up. So why are you exhaling through the mouth? There is no special reason for this, but it makes it easier to feel and hear your breath. You can use this feeling and sound to help you time how long and fast you exhale. It is the 4-beat exhale that is more important. Notice the exhale is longer than the inhale. This is a natural signal to the mind that it and the body needs to relax. This is the reason we relax when we let out a long sigh. Let's give you just a minute to focus on your breathing. Ready? Reset the tongue and inhale. 2, 3. Drop the tongue and blow out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel your lungs emptying and making space for more fresh air. Good. Now out again. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3. Out. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Good job. By now you should be a master of your staggered breathing. So keep it up while I explain the next phase of your practice. It is now time to focus on the feeling of relaxation, which will help you with your anxiety. This is going to help the body do what it needs to do to help you. On your inhale, bring your attention to the top of your head. Then, on your exhale, you're going to slowly move your attention to your shoulders. Then pause and keep your attention on your shoulders with the next inhale. With the next exhale, you'll move down to your waist. Then you'll pause again for another inhale. Finally, during the exhale, you'll move down to your feet. After another pause, we'll work our way back up, but more slowly. This is called a body scan. Scanning down will be quite fast, and scanning up will be much slower. This process gets easier and easier with each session. Wherever your attention is, imagine your breath is spreading through the muscles of that area. Again, your inhale must be shorter than your exhale. Just breathe relaxation into your body. Your inner voice can use the word relax when you exhale, and on the inhale you can say pause. Then reset your tongue and continue. Remind yourself that you are more than your anxiety and that you are strong, patient, and loving towards others and yourself. You deserve to keep going with your day, and no breathing problem is going to get in the way of that. Are you ready to teach yourself the all-important skill of self-relaxation? Good. Let's begin with the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Close the mouth and rest your tongue on your reset spot. Now inhale through the nose and bring your attention to the top of your head. With a long, slow exhale, move your attention through your head and neck and then to your shoulders. Feel your face beginning to relax and pause at your shoulders. Reset your tongue, inhale, and just notice your shoulders. Now exhale and let your attention flow down your chest and stomach, reaching your waist. Notice how you have the ability to pay attention to your whole torso. Feel your chest relax as you exhale. Reset your breath at the waist and inhale again. Good. Repeat your blowing exhale and let your attention drift to the feet. Once you get to your feet, take a few even breaths on the inhale and exhale. Keep your attention on your toes. You're doing good. Now we are going to return to your staggered breath. Reset the tongue and pull 3 counts of air into your lungs with your attention on the feet and toes. Exhale a long breath and blow relaxation into the soles of your feet and toes. Let's do this a couple more times. Imagine you are blowing up a balloon. On the inhale, the balloon doesn't expand, but it does when you blow air into it. Reset and inhale. 2, 3. Blow out and let those muscles unwind. 3, 4. Good. Again. In. 2, 3. Out. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale. 2, 3. Now out. 2, 3, 4. Good. Now move your attention to your calves and repeat. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale and relax. Reset and inhale. 2, 3. Relax the calves with your exhale. One more time, inhale, and then we'll move to the upper legs. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Bring your focus to your thighs with the inhale, and then blow that relaxation into the thighs. Let's keep up this pace. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. One more time, and then onto the groin. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good. Inhale and become aware of your groin and buttocks. Exhale and unclench those cheeks. Pause with your inhale. Now release that tension with your exhale. We are 1/3 on our way back up. On the inhale, pay attention to your lower back. We're going to do the torso in 3 sections. Don't worry about your arms, we'll get to them. Reset the tongue and notice your lower back and the bottom portion of your intestinal area. Don't worry, there is no wrong way to section out your torso. Do what works for you. By now you should already have a couple of breaths into your bottom portion. Let's go one more time and then move up to the middle section. It's okay if some areas don't relax. They'll learn to listen to you in another session, and we are going to do this process more than once before we finish up today. Have you moved to your middle back yet? If not, do so now. Reset and inhale. Notice your middle back and stomach. On the exhale, pay attention to how your diaphragm relaxes. Use this feeling of relaxation to tell your body that you want this feeling whenever you pay attention to anything else. Good. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Again. In, 2, 3. Remember, it is okay not to feel deeply relaxed, but it is also okay to let yourself relax deeper than you have before. Keep listening to my voice and move your attention to your chest and upper back. Don't concern yourself with your shoulders, just breathe relaxation into your shoulder blades. Next, I'm going to give you just a moment to feel the breath in your lungs. Notice they are doing just fine. With each exhale, Let relaxation pulse through your body and back into your feet. Let your exhales release rebuilt tension. When you practice on your own, you can do this anytime you feel the need. Take a few more breaths and just feel the motion of your lungs. Okay, good. Are you beginning to feel a little more relaxed? Remember, mind wandering and a lack of concentration is normal and good. Your thoughts are telling you that your body is feeling more relaxed. You might find a bit of creativity breaking through your thoughts. Take a personal note and then let it pass on and reset your breath using your tongue as the signal. Now it's time to turn your attention to your shoulders and then breathe into the shoulders. The shoulders sometimes take a little extra time to relax. At this moment, it's just a little unwinding. With your next exhale, let the air flow down your arms and into your fingertips. Notice how your attention moved with the description. Pause and reset at the fingertips. Now we are going to relax the arms in the same way we did with the legs. I'll let you take this one. 3 exhales for the hand, lower arm, and upper arm. Then you'll take about 4 or 5 breaths with the shoulders again. Don't forget to purse your lips and hear the air pass between them, and reset the tongue with your inhale. Now we are going to work on the head. Let your attention rest on the back of your neck and throat. Take in a breath and breathe it in slowly. Again, pause and inhale. Now exhale and feel how the release of the neck helps the shoulders to continue to relax. Inhale and hear my voice. Good. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. One more. Inhale. 2, 3. Blow relaxation into your neck. 2, 3, 4. Move your attention to the back and top of the head. Let the relaxation roll up the back of the head. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about your face, just your scalp. You may even notice your blood vessels pumping. This feeling is normal because they are more relaxed and able to push more blood into your brain. One more breath. Inhale. 2, 3. Now slowly exhale. 2, 3, 4. Good. Now inhale. On the exhale, you're going to let your attention roll forward through your forehead and face. Pause wherever you are at and inhale. Notice your forehead and temples and exhale relaxation into your forehead. Now it's time for the face. You have many muscle groups in your face, so section the face like the torso. First your eyes and brows, then your nose and upper cheeks, and then your mouth and jaw. I'll give you just a moment to work through this. Way to go. As you finish relaxing your face, I'll explain the next step. When I say, return your attention to the top of your head, then, in 3 breaths, we are going to do another downward scan from your head to your feet. You are going to just let another light wave of relaxation roll through each section as you exhale. We're going to begin the downward body scan on the count of 3. If your face isn't deeply relaxed, that's okay. We are going to return to it one more time. Are you ready? We are 2/3 done and you're almost finished with this session for the day. Keep it up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bring your attention to the top of your head and inhale. 2, 3. Exhale to your shoulders. 2, 3, 4. Pause and reset. Next section. Exhale to your waist. 2, 3, 4. Pause and inhale. 2, 3. Now relax down to your feet. 2, 3, 4. Good. Pause and give yourself 3 even breaths. Out. 2, 3. Breathe in. 2, 3. Breathe out. 2, 3. Reset and breathe 4 beats into your feet and toes. Release that tension. It's time to move back up just the way we did before. I'm going to let you do this on your own. Remember to move up each section after 3 or 4 breaths. Be sure to pause with each inhale and to exhale longer than you inhale. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths into your feet and feel them release even more. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how relaxed you can become. Now the lower legs. Good. Now your upper legs. The groin and butt. Move to your lower back and intestinal area. The middle back, and take time to pay attention to the diaphragm on the exhale. The upper chest and shoulder blades. special attention to your lungs on the exhale. If you need to take a couple of breaths to release other portions that have tensed back up, do so now. Now relax your shoulders and arms. Fill the arms like a glass of water with your breath and relaxation. Are you ready for the head again? Bring your attention to the neck and throat with the inhale. Now the back and top of the head. Let the relaxation roll upwards. Let your breath roll forward and through the three sections of your face. Good job. You should be feeling nice and relaxed. It gets easier with each time you practice. Now comes the last part of your session. Bring your attention to your chest and heart. You are giving yourself a moment to linger in the results of your relaxation. You're going to use steady, even breaths. There's no need to add any more relaxation. Just focus on your heart and lightly notice the rest of your body. Let's do a few even breaths, and you'll continue breathing while I explain why you need this as part of your practice. Ready? Put your attention on your heart. Let yourself breathe in through the nose. 2, 3. Now exhale. You don't need to purse your lips here. Do what feels natural to you. Breathe in again and return your attention to your heart. Exhale and lungs naturally release the air. Inhale with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Good. Exhale. 2, 3. In. 2, 3. Out. 2, 3. In. 2, 3. Out. 2, 3. Keep going while you listen to my voice and focus on your heart. This even breathing lets you linger in your relaxation without pushing further. The point of this is to have a bit of gratitude that you are breathing. When you have an episode and go through the breath resetting process, there comes a point when you will regain your breath and things will be a bit more normal for you. Before you get up from an episode and continue on with your day, take a moment to breathe evenly and be grateful for your breath. Your will to live brought you through another episode. Enjoy your breath in the same way you enjoy a cool breeze on a summer day. Enjoy it the way you enjoy the sunlight of another day. This is the proof you've been waiting for. You are strong and you want to do other things besides laying in your bed waiting for the next episode. Be grateful for the people near you as they patiently wait for you to take back control. Now is not your time, and you have given yourself more time to complete what you want to in life, even if it is just another conversation or another view of the trees swaying in the breeze. I'm going to leave you with another 15 seconds to be grateful and enjoy your natural breath. When you are ready, open your eyes and slowly move your arms and lift your legs. Let all the feeling return before you stand up. Continue breathing and keep practicing your staggered breath whenever you have the chance. The more you practice, the more control you will have over your next episode. Now breathe and enjoy the moment.